हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो फ्रॉम द इंडियन फ्रीलांसर यूट्यूब चैनल। माय नेम इज़ टैन। आज इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं गोवा में विज़िट करने का बेस्ट टाइम को लेके। नाउ हम लोग गोवा में आए थे मिड मार्च से लेके मिड अप्रैल तक एंड राइट नाउ आई एम स्टैंडिंग ऑन अगोंडा बीच। आप देख सकते हो मेरे पीछे बीच है और मैं यहीं से ये वीडियो कर रहा हूँ। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट हाउ इट इज़ इन गोवा ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम, मार्च और अप्रैल। तो अगर आप भी इसी टाइम में गोवा आने का प्लान कर रहे हो, इफ़ यू आर प्लानिंग टू कम टू गोवा ड्यूरिंग मार्च एंड अप्रैल, then you should watch this video till the end. If you are here for the first time and you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe because I create this kind of videos a lot, many times. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. Let's start the video. Alright, तो मार्च और अप्रैल गोवा में आने के लिए सही टाइम नहीं है। ओके, इट्स नॉट द बेस्ट टाइम। बेस्ट टाइम एक्चुअली यहाँ पे है अक्टूबर से लेके फरवरी तक और मे बी मिड मार्च तक, और हम लोग तभी आए थे मिडल ऑफ मार्च। नाउ मार्च अप्रैल में क्या होता है, धीरे धीरे ये लोग इनका सीज़न ख़त्म हो जाता है, तो ये लोग धीरे धीरे दुकान जो है, जो शॉप्स हैं, जो रिजॉर्ट्स हैं और जो होटल्स वगैरह हैं, वो सब बंद हो जाते हैं। ओके, लिटरली बंद हो जाते हैं and they go back to their home. There are a lot of people who work here in Goa and they have come from North India or different parts of India or even from Nepal or nearby countries. Okay, they work here for like 3-4 months and then they go back, and this is the time when they start moving back to their home. Okay, so if you are planning to come to Goa and if you are looking to have all the different options that they have or all the different facilities or services that they have, तो शायद ये सही टाइम नहीं है। ठीक है, तो हम लोग जब आए, हम लोगों को इनिशियली जब हम लोग आए, इस बार तो पैंडेमिक है तो उसके वजह से भी थोड़ा कम लोग थे और हम लोग को भी बहुत कम लोग मिले रास्ते में। बीचेस में भी हम लोग स्टार्टिंग में कोलवा बीच में थे तो वहाँ पे भी बहुत कम लोग थे। देयर इज नॉट लॉट ऑफ ए कैओस, और साउथ गोवा में वैसे भी कम ही कैओस रहता है, नॉर्थ गोवा जैसा इतना हब नहीं है। सो इट वाज नाइस. Now slowly as the days passed, we started seeing that people are actually moving off. There are lesser number of shops open. Okay, there are lesser number of people or travelers on the roads. Now I'll tell you something what happened with this place. Okay, right now I'm in Agonda and I'm in Sami Beach Resort. I've talked about this also. So इस resort से निकलते ही, just if I come out of the resort and if I travel this side, okay, there are 2 restaurants, bar and restaurants, and if I travel this side there are also a couple of bar and restaurants, but then I'm talking about the one which is very next to it. It's called Madhu Bar and Restaurant. Now when we came here, we actually went there for a few days for dinner, for lunch and all those things. We went there and it was nice. We had a good time. Suddenly one day हम लोग वहाँ जाके हम लोग बैठे और बोले कि आई वांट टू ऑर्डर. दे सेड सर वी कैन नॉट टेक ऑर्डर्स, इट इज़ क्लोज्ड, एंड इट वाज आफ्टरनून. ओके, तो मैंने उनको पूछा कि क्लोज मतलब अभी तो सिर्फ आफ्टरनून ही हुआ है, एकदम सूरज सर पे है, क्यों आप बोल रहे हो क्लोज है? देन दे सेड वी आर एक्चुअली क्लोज्ड, वी आर डन विद द बिजनेस फॉर दिस सीजन एंड वी आर मूविंग बैक टू आवर होम्स. So the people who were actually serving there, जो लोग वहाँ पे काम कर रहे थे, they were from Dharamshala, not Dharamshala, from different places of Himachal Pradesh. They were from Mandi. So one of them said that we're winding up here and we're going to Ladakh. He's going to work in Ladakh. One of them is going back to his village in Mandi. तो वो लोग तब जा रहे थे. Now if you go there, you will not see anything there. All the chairs, tables, everything they have folded or whatever they have done, they have moved. पूरा खाली एरिया है. ठीक है, इस साइड जब हम लोग गए थे, यहाँ पे अगर if you travel, I don't remember the exact name of the resort, but one of those resorts they have broken each of the cottages in parts. Okay, सारे cottages के छत जो walls होते हैं वो सब वो लोग निकाल लिए, and it's a barren land right now. So, पूरा खाली एरिया. Okay, so when we talked with those people, they said that now slowly the monsoon will set in. like now it's April, so May, June, it will be from June onwards, it will be too much of rain, and before that it's too hot. So very few people actually come to visit Goa during this time. Okay, this is not the ideal time, as I said. Now there are a lot of foreigners that I can see even right now on the beach. If I look around, I do not see a lot of Indians. There are some local Indians who are actually playing football and volleyball over there. So right now the beach is open for the locals. Okay, and there are foreigners who are still there. Maybe they come here to enjoy the sun or that heat of the sun. Apart from that, not many people are there on this beach right now. ओके तो धीरे धीरे बीच क्लोज हो चुका है। यहाँ तक कि जो मतलब जो रोड के आसपास जो रिजॉर्ट्स थे, जो होटल्स थे, आज सुबह हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट लाने गए जहाँ से हम लोग रेगुलर ब्रेकफास्ट खाते थे। एक विट्टल शॉप बोल के एक है गुंडा में, दैट शॉप इटसेल्फ वाज क्लोज्ड। मैं जाके उनको पूछा कि ब्रेकफास्ट मिलेगा, एंड दे वर लाइक नो सर वी आर क्लोज्ड। आई सेड क्लोज्ड, व्हाट डू यू मीन? They said the same thing. Now these guys are from Nepal, I guess, and they have wound up everything. They have closed everything there in the shop, and they are going back to their place, I guess. Okay, so इस बार तो पैंडेमिक की वजह से थोड़ा सा कम बिजनेस है हर जगह में. It's not only about this place, but then apart from that also in regular years this is not a very good time to be in Goa. If you are looking for that kind of a stay, like we talk about Goa. Now for those who like sun, who like to be alone on the beaches, okay, तो उन लोगों के लिए शायद ये अच्छा टाइम है, उन लोगों के लिए शायद वो लोग यहाँ पे enjoy करेंगे. Okay, now if you are coming to Goa only to stay and like having a good time and not going out in the sun too much or not roaming around too much, maybe you can still come during March, April. Okay, लेकिन वही है कि आपको सारे सर्विसेज नहीं मिलेंगे, सारे शॉप्स नहीं मिलेंगे. ओके, जिस होटल में हम लोग 5 साल पहले आए थे और स्टे कर रहे थे, उस होटल का नाम है Cupid's Heaven. Okay, it's a good hotel. It's also near the beach. It's not on the beach, but it's near the beach. ये ऐसा नहीं है कि on the beach है. अभी हम लोग जहाँ रह रहे हैं ये समी रिजॉर्ट, समी बीच हट्स है, ये ऑन द बीच रिजॉर्ट है. बट Cupid's Heaven is a hotel which is near the beach. It's on the road. Okay, so even that hotel we had to, I mean when we went there today morning for breakfast, they said the kitchen is closed. Okay, तो वहाँ पे भी शायद गेस्ट्स वगैरह नहीं रहेंगे. तो that's all, that's about the situation. I hope you got an idea. Now to tell you again, if you are planning to come to Goa during March and April, okay, this is what you are going to get. Okay, you are going to get everything. You are going to get resorts, you are going to get hotels, you are going to get food, you are going to get drinks, you are going to get all the services that they have, like water sports and everything, but then it will be less in number. Okay, everything will be less in number. You will not find too many choices. You will not find a lot of people walking around. Okay, so अभी जो boats हैं मेरे सामने आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे, so these are the boats we used to go to that butterfly beach, जिसके बारे में मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया है. तो those boats are also, they're like covered with some cloth. I can see about among the 4 boats that are lined up here, only one is uncovered, others are covered. Okay, तो वहाँ पे भी उनका अभी उतना बिजनेस नहीं है. So that's about it. Right now it's about to be the sunset. You can see the sun here. Okay, so sunset होने वाला है, and this nice time to shoot the video, so I thought that I'll shoot it. So today is our last day in Goa actually. So today marks the end of the 4th week that we have spent in Goa. I mean the stay was awesome. We really liked it, and probably will come back again. Okay, all right, so that's all I have in this video. If you have any questions, if you want to ask anything specific, please feel free, and if I know, I'll definitely answer your questions. Okay, so we'll finish this video. take care. If you are here for the first time and you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and I'll make more videos. I'll see you from Agartala next time. Take care. Bye bye.